look! That racing car is incredible! Can we please take it home today?
It really is an amazing car. Let's look at the price first.
Dad, I've never wanted a toy this much. I promise I'll take really good care every single day.
I know you really like it, but let's think carefully before we decide. With $10 today, but the other $10, I'd like you to earn them yourselves.
Earn them? How can we do that?
I've got an idea. What if we make something together and sell it to earn the money ourselves? We already have lemons, sugar, and cups. If we make fresh lemonade together, people might buy it and we can earn the money ourselves.
That's a creative idea.
Everyone has an important job. When we work together, even a big goal feels much easier.
I'll squeeze every lemon. We're gonna make the best lemonade ever. Our lemonade stand is finally ready. I hope lots of people stop to visit us today.
I believe they will. Let's welcome everyone with a big smile.
I wonder who will be our very first customer. I hope someone stops soon.
Let's be patient. Great things sometimes take a little time.
It is a very hot day today, isn't it? Would you like a cold glass of fresh lemon to help you cool down? I just made a brand new batch, and it is ice cold and very sweet.
Oh my goodness, Elia. This is absolutely delicious. It's so fresh. Tastes better than store-bought. You did a wonderful job making this. I'm going to tell neighbors to come buy a cup.
Here is your fresh lemonade. Enjoy!
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
And here is your exact change, sir.
Look at how hard they are working together.
They are doing such an amazing job.
You earned every dollar yourselves.
We did it!
Exactly $20 total. Here is my hard-earned money for the racing car.
And here is your wonderful new toy, young man.
If you wanted to earn $10, what would you do first? Tell us in the comments. Dad, look!
You're doing a wonderful job.
The rocket is almost finished.
Just one more piece and it will be ready.
Dad, we really finished it. It looks even better than I imagined.
You worked very carefully. I'm really proud of what you built today.
Dad spends so much time with Huss. Maybe I'm not as important anymore.
You've been very quiet today. Icon's on your mind.
I don't know, I just feel a little different today.
Come with me for a minute.
Okay,
I'd like to show you something very special.
I'm listening.
Look at these two flowers. They're both beautiful, but they don't grow in the same way. The sunflower only needs water, but the rose needs careful trimming to grow stronger. Children are just like these flowers. They all need love, but sometimes they need different kinds of care.
I think I'm starting to understand.
I don't love the sunflower more than the rose. I simply care for each one in the way it needs.
So different care doesn't mean different love.
Every child grows differently. Our job is to help each one become their best.
I understand now. Thank you, Dad. Jaff, come and help me with the rocket again.
Of course. I'd really like that.
I'm glad we're together.
Me too. I know Dad loves all of us.
Never compare your journey with someone else's. You are special in your own wonderful way.
I'll always remember that. Thank you for helping me understand.
I'm happy we're all together. So am I. I feel much better now.
Love isn't measured by getting the same things. It's shown by giving each person exactly what they need to grow.
Have you ever felt the same way Jaff did? What helped you feel better? We'd love to read your answer in the comments. Wow, look at all these cakes! I've never seen so many delicious choices before.
I don't even know where to start. Everything looks so amazing.
I already know what I want. That chocolate muffin looks absolutely perfect to me.
I keep changing my mind. Every time I choose one, another cake looks even better.
I really can't decide. There are just too many delicious choices for me.
Take your time. Sometimes choosing carefully is harder than we expect.
I think I know a simple way to help you decide.
My choice was easy. Now I can't wait to taste it.
Don't think too much. Choose the one that makes you smile first.
I think my answer is becoming much clearer now. I've decided. I'll take the chocolate muffin.
That was a confident decision. Well done.
You chose really quickly in the end.
Sometimes fewer choices make the best decision much easier.
Was it worth waiting? Do you still like your choice?
Yes, absolutely. I don't regret choosing it at all.
Life becomes much easier when we stop chasing every single option.
I'll remember that.
Sometimes the best choice.
It really helped me today.
When too many choices make life confusing, take one small step. Trust yourself and move forward with confidence.
What would you choose first in that bakery? Tell us your favorite dessert in the comments below. Wait, did anyone else hear that little sound?
I heard something. There's a little puppy hiding here.
Stay calm. Let the puppy trust us first.
It's okay. You don't have to be afraid.
I think it's starting to trust us. That makes me so happy.
I think the little puppy knows we won't hurt it anymore. Look how carefully it's walking toward us now. Maybe it was waiting for someone kind to...
Animals usually remember how people treat. When someone stays calm, patient, and gentle, trust slowly grows. That's why the puppy finally feels safe enough to come close to our family today.
I've never seen a puppy change so quickly before. Just a little kindness, fresh water, and some patience helped it feel brave again.
Let's see if this puppy has a name tag or a phone number. Someone might be looking everywhere for this little friend. Helping it return safely home would be the happiest ending for everyone.
Oh, my sweet puppy! I've been searching everywhere. Thank you so much for staying with my little friend and showing such kindness when it needed help the most.
Helping someone doesn't always require money. Sometimes a little patience, kindness, and working together can completely change someone's day, and I'm very proud of everyone.
Helping that puppy made me feel really happy. I think kindness is one of the best gifts anyone can share with others.
I'm proud of everyone today. Small acts of kindness often become the biggest memories, and they can change someone's day forever.
If you found a scared little puppy alone, what would you do first? We'd love to read your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends.
Kindness costs nothing, but it can mean everything. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again in another Slow English story.